Well, if a hurricane sets its sights on Houston this year, we want to know where it will make landfall and just how strong it will be.
National Hurricane Center forecasters rely on data from devices from around the globe, many of which are controlled from a building in Miami, Florida. KPRC2's Gage Golding takes us inside the lab to see how technology is helping fine-tune forecasts.
Nestled on a little island in the Biscayne Bay is one of the most important hurricane research facilities in the country.
AOML is kind of a hotbed for hurricane research for NOAA in general.
AOML is the Atlantic Oceanographic and Meteorological Laboratory. It's ran by NOAA out of this white building with quite the view, but their work and equipment reaches around the world.
To better understand hurricanes, scientists are looking at both the atmosphere and the ocean. Together, their research can help forecasters better predict where hurricanes are going and how strong they'll be.
Well, NOAA does a lot of work to improve hurricane forecasts.
We've all seen those spaghetti plots. Each one is a different computer model feeding off the data that the team here at the AOML produces. This includes NOAA's own model, the HWRF.
That model improved its predictions by about 60% over 15 years.
Jason Sipple is part of the team focusing on the atmosphere side. It's far from just analyzing radar scans and satellite imagery of storms. NOAA's hurricane hunters are punching into the eye of the most powerful hurricanes. On board, scientists are gathering incredibly important data that leads to better forecasts in real time, including the big question: will this hurricane rapidly intensify?
Compared to 15 years ago, we're doing twice as good as we were.
It has to be rewarding work knowing that what you're doing is help fine-tuning those forecasts.
Yeah, it's a very satisfying feeling.
Hurricanes, though, aren't all reliant on what happens in the sky. The ocean can be our biggest enemy. Warm Gulf water is like jet fuel for a hurricane.
Exactly. So you need obviously a good atmospheric model to predict hurricanes, but you also need a good ocean model.
Mathieu Lehenoff oversees ocean research at the AOML. That includes these big yellow submarine-looking things.
Yeah, they are the big yellow toys.
They're $150,000 toys that are actually called hurricane gliders.
They go up and down the water column down to about 3,000 feet. And when you go up and down, you measure temperature, salinity, as well as oxygen.
This hurricane season, the team will control 4 of these gliders from their lab in Miami, each gathering critical data ahead of storms. But that's just the beginning. There's other buoys bouncing around the globe, including these global drifters. They're literally following the ocean's current, measuring water temperature and atmospheric pressure.
This is just essentially a big old fishing bobber.
Yeah, exactly.
It's that bobber, the glider, and the other tools like sail drones that all feed back data that helps fine-tune hurricane forecasts.
Without these, you have a guess. With these, it's like an educated guess.
Exactly.
It's a really big deal, right? You want to know if a tropical storm is going to be a tropical storm when it makes landfall, or if it's going to be a Category 3 hurricane, and that data helps us to get that information, right?
Information that can help you make decisions to keep your family safe if a storm eyes up Houston this year. In Miami, Gage Golding, KPRC2 News.
Well, KPRC2 has everything you need to know to prepare for hurricane season. This Wednesday, June 4th, our weather team will answer your questions. And we are talking storm predictions, power outage preps, and storm damage 101. Everything, reminders that you need to know. You can watch it at 7 p.m. on KPRC2 and on the KPRC2 Plus live stream.